Morning children. Today we are going to learn 6th chapter Random Variable and Mathematical Expectations. Just I want to recall what we are learned yesterday. What we are learned yesterday? Define random variable and what are the types of random variable and what is the meaning of a cumulative distribution function. Is it clear children? Now we are going to learn exercise 6.1. What are they given? Construct cumulative distribution function for the given probability distribution. What is the meaning of cumulative distribution function? Means we using the corresponding numbers. What are they? We can take the random variable x, and x takes the countable number of points somewhere with the corresponding probability 6. Then it is the cumulative distribution function. Is it clear? Now we are going to the solution, and x also they are given. What are the values? 0, 1, 2, 3. Then I am going to write the probability of capital X, that means random variable is equal to small x. What are they? 0 0.3, 0 0.2, 0 0.4, then 0 0.1. Okay, is it clear? Now I am going to find the cumulative distribution function. What is the cumulative distribution function? You adding the corresponding values. So that means that represent f of x. That represent is f of x. Okay, how did you find that f of x? First I am going to write the what are they in the probability, the same number. I am going to write the number as it is. What are the number is the 0 0.3. I am writing as it is. Then I am going to the next column. I adding 0 0.3 with the 0 0.2. It gives, what is the answer? 0 0.5. Okay, then next number I adding with the corresponding values. Next zigzag method I used. I adding 0 0.5 with the 0 0.4. It gives 0 0.9. Next I am adding with the 0 0.9 with the 0 0.1. It gives 1. Okay, the condition, the cumulative distribution condition is satisfied. How? The cumulative distribution condition, that means f of x equal to, f of x is equal to summation of p of x. That means summation of p of x. Already we learned what is the summation of p of x condition. Summation of p of x should equal to 1. Is it clear? By adding all the values of probability as it gives 1. Okay, the condition is okay. How do you describe cumulative distribution for the probability distribution? I am going to write that p of x less than or equal to 0. Now I am going to take the condition that, see, the 0 0.3 is equal or less than 0. So I am going to write here x less than or equal to 0 is equal to 0 0.3. Then probability of x value is, sorry, I am going to change one thing. Capital X I put it here. Okay, then capital S equal to, that is random value is less than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0, because see that value, you adding this value 0.3 and 0.3, it gives, so this value 0.5 is less than 0 and then less than 1 or equal to 1, less than or equal to 1, 0.5. Then probability of x less than or equal to 2 is equal to 0.9. Then probability of x less than or equal to 3 equal to 1. Okay, is it clear, children? Thank you.